What have I brought in here? What is it? Drums? I don't think so. Trumpet? No, I don't think so. Piano? No, it's too small. What? A clarinet? I think you might be right. Let's unzip it and take a look inside, shall we? Oh, look at that, my friends. Yes, I think you might be right. Look, there's the bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. And I think that goes in there like that. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, what about this bit? Oh, look at that. Yeah. What about this bit? Oh, look at that. Goes on there like that. Oh, this bit with a little piece of wood. It's called a reed. See, look at it without the reed, right? And then, see how thin that is? And then, put it on there like that. And then we get this thing, and we put it around to hold it on. And then blow. Yeah, that's the sound of the clarinet. Did you get it? That's right, Old MacDonald. Very good. You know what I like to do with this? I like to use my finger to go up and down really quickly as I blow. These hands, or these fingers, they go over the holes. They go over these holes, you see? And as I cover more holes, the sound goes lower. Oh, I've got to cover that hole down there. And the more holes, remember, the more holes you cover up, the lower it goes. And this is the lowest note. That's the lowest note on the instrument. It goes very high. I'm not going to go very, very high, but I'll go a little bit high. The clarinet.